Alright, now we are on page 12 of our Guitar Method Book 1. Let's try Yankee Doodle, number 22. And we'll do it kind of like a medium slow speed, or I guess medium fast depending where you're at. I'm at 55 on my metronome. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. That's it.